yeah, I just built that. Today's video is gonna be a lot different than what I'm used to making and you guys are used to seeing. I was gonna go make a fishing video yesterday. Fishing sucked, so I decided to make a project that I've been needing to make for my buddy's ski house. Made a boot rack, as you guys can see. Maybe it doesn't look like a boot rack, I don't know. It looks like one to me. Should do the job, but today's video is a lot different. If you guys like this type of stuff, let me know, and hopefully you guys enjoy. Well, right here, of course, the batteries died and it got really dark, so I guess that kind of worked out. Essentially what I did is I ended up ripping that 2x6 down after routing out the slots for the runners. The router jumped a couple times and just went past the line, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna rip it down. Should have just bought a 2x4, but whatever. I had a lot of fun with this project. I'll show you guys the final product here in a second. But I had a lot of fun making this one. This was a couple hours it took to build it. If you guys like these type of videos, please let me know. You know, I like to make stuff. I make stuff kind of often. I've been selling a bunch of things just to random people on Craigslist and OfferUp and whatnot, so it's been working out. But again, if you guys like it, hit the like button. If you guys are interested, subscribe. There's lots of videos that I like to post. I know it's been a while since I posted anything, but I've just been busy, so anyways, hopefully you guys have a good day, and thanks for watching.